On behalf of O'Neil Thomas, aka Foota Hype or FHM, we would like to inform his family, friends, loved ones, and supporters that he is doing fine and is in good health mentally and physically. On Saturday, December 14, he was detained by ICE in Florida. The family has hired legal representation and we are expecting him to be back home with us in Florida soon. There are no charitable accounts set up on his behalf. We sincerely apologize for any inconvenience that may have been caused due to his absence. As for promoters that may be affected by these recent events or anything business related, please contact Royal Entertainment at officialroyalentertainment@gmail.com.
Right now you and we unstoppable. Unstoppable, that mean them can't stop ya. Unstoppable, now we are trained.
Welcome back, viewers. So people, you have some unscrupulous people out there who feel like every situation that arises and them see a way where them can make a little bit of change, them do it. Well, this one is relating to Foota Hype, the viral king. Well, there are some unscrupulous people who created some fake GoFundMe accounts in behalf or on the behalf of Foota Hype, right? Well, the family and close friends of the viral king is speaking out against that to make the wider public know, say, yo, there is no such thing set up for Foota Hype, so you don't need to contribute to nothing, because as far as them say, yo, if Foota Hype need any kind of financial help, them know who to reach out to and who to contact. So, anybody who hear or see any GoFundMe going around in Foota Hype name, just know that it is a fake. Alright? Now, Tony Matterhorn, who is a very good friend of Foota Hype, spoke out about this thing, right? And we have the clip for you to take a good listen to. But from the clip before, where you see we put out the bulletin that came out, that is addressing everything and informing the fans that, yo, Foota Hype is doing okay and is in good spirits, even though he is locked down. Alright, and them hoping that he'll be back home soon. And I want to take note upon one point that they made sure to make clear. Back home soon in Florida. Come on, say no found right now. I say, yo, Foota Hype going to come out and him going to come back to Jamaica and ray. We don't know how the outcome is going to be, so we just have to wait, watch, and listen and observe. But the family and friends are hoping that Foota Hype will be back out soon and be home in Florida. Let's take a listen to what Tony Matterhorn has to say. But before we do that, if this is your very first time to the channel and you have not yet hit the subscribe button, please consider hitting the button now, so once we upload a video, you will get an alert. Let's check out Tony Matterhorn.
We need to address something right now. For the people out there who want to spread the word, there is no GoFundMe thing, I repeat. There's no GoFundMe thing going on in regards on behalf of Foota Hype. And the little thieving people, we're out there where I do this GoFundMe like some little hungry girl. I go like on a know Foota and I say, oh, GoFundMe for Foota Hype. I repeat, there's no such thing as no GoFundMe for Foota Hype. If you want to link up, any family or friends want to link up, you link up at Royal Entertainment. You see me make a post? So you can link up, yes, care. You can link up Royal Entertainment, ENT, LLC, yeah. And then no, we don't want nobody going around spreading out, because you remember you have bloggers and flaggers and glaggers and all these people. They will say stuff that they don't know, because the typical mouth make for talks of people with us chat shit. They're not even close to Foota Hype or know the situation. They just know that he's currently being held in an ICE facility, and they don't know people stay. Like 90% of Jamaicans, we know somebody where they either in a immigration or whatever. But you can be in immigration for anything, from a speeding ticket to a mistaken identity. That's the decent part of my presentation. We're telling well-wishers and fans around the world. There's no such thing as a GoFundMe if you wish to link about Foota Hype as a family member, a friend. You can link Royal Entertainment, or you can link Matterhorn, and we relate the messages to Foota. You understand? Okay? And on that note, that's the decent part of the presentation.
Now if I'm going to hear Tony Matterhorn say, on that note, that's the decent part of the presentation. You don't know what that means. Because you know, say Tony Matterhorn mouth not clean when it ready. You know, Tony Matterhorn go in and go hard when him ready. So Tony Matterhorn make sure say him address the whole thing nice and clean at the beginning, and then him just go in raw and ranchy, which is the part where me not gonna make on the ear, cause yeah, right? So Tony Matterhorn go in and cuss off some people and style them and call them some name and make them understand, say, yo, you don't need to stop do it. You see, I mean, agree with Tony Matterhorn, because as Matterhorn say in the ranchy raw part, him say, yo, if Foota Hype need help, Foota Hype know who to go to, and we know who to reach out to if Foota need help. Yes, what I say. Anyway, people, this has been another one from Unstoppable TV. Talk to me down in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this situation. Also, if you really care about Foota Hype, comment in the comment section and wish him, you know, a few good words. Yes, what I say. At the end of the day, I see all people that talk about say, yo, Foota Hype not believe in a God, so why people are pray for him? At the end of the day, I personally have never heard Foota Hype come out and say him not believe in a God. If anything, me actually hear Foota Hype tell people on him live stream, say, yo, when you ever hear me say me not believe in a God? You understand? So, what you know, man? Stop try bash the youth when time bad things reach him. Yes, I mean, I say at the end of the day, if you not like him, fine. But still, don't rejoice for another man's downfall. Is all I have to say. Until the next video, me gone. But talk me down in the comment section. If you have not yet hit that subscribe button, do it right now.
Right now, you know we unstoppable. Unstoppable.